Hello, dear friends, and welcome to day 14 of this short reality transurfing course that is created based on teachings by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist. The card of the day is called Love Yourself, and the short description is as follows. If you don't love yourself, no one will love you, and you will never be truly happy for that matter. Any type of conflict between the soul and the mind reflects itself negatively on your body and your character too. As a result, your layer of the world becomes darker and darker as well. So you have to love yourself first and then pay attention to others and their qualities too. Because pendulums are urging you to change and stay further from your soul and follow the following rule instead. They're better than you. That is why you should do as they do. Become like them, become similar, and work like them. Blend in, so to speak. Be in the matrix, be their slave. That's what pendulums have to say. So the reality is, though, you are unique. So turn inwards. Accept yourself as you are fully. Take thus privilege to be yourself and use your right to be right. And then you will have something to be proud of and you will respect yourself for it. Okay, so that's the description. And if you see the card itself, it's kind of pretty clear that there is a woman and another woman who I would say is her higher self or her genuine or authentic self. And she is giving her this little ball, which I would say it's this kind of uniqueness or this right to own herself and to take herself to herself. It's almost like this is her charm or something that reminds her that she actually holds the power in her hand, and that's why this higher self is actually giving this to her and reminding her of that. So because if you chase what other people say or other people's standards for life, it will be difficult to embrace yourself, because how can you love yourself if you don't even either know yourself or like yourself? It's impossible. So this problem is also created by an excess potential you give to either yourself or other people or other people's standards. So for example, if you put other people's values on a pedestal, then it means there is a high outer importance given to those people and those values. And if you strive so hard to blend in and to adjust and to be and to follow those standards, you are giving yourself high inner importance too. So, in order to fully love yourself, you have to drop this importance entirely and start following your own right to be yourself and to actually create your own standards for life. So, and set up your own rules and give up on this excess potential or excess importance you give to those outer or inner standards instead. And also accept your faults. Accept that you will make some mistakes and you are making some mistakes, but at the same time don't focus on them, but focus on your virtues. Focus on what makes you unique, on what gives you the drive to actually live on this earth and to make your unique contribution to it. And then you will start creating your own pendulum, and a positive one too, because then it will give you everything that you as a soul actually genuinely strive to create and develop, and then others will be drawn to you as well. That's actually it for this card. It's very straightforward and important too, because to be able to own yourself is one of the basic principles of transurfing, because it definitely creates this connection between the heart and the mind, and then it catapults you into the universe, where actually universe then embraces you and takes you as its own. Thank you so much, my friends, and see you tomorrow for another card. Goodbye.